Cheers! Hi, this is Tanner, Risa, and Willa. We're a little American family living out our dream of life abroad and currently call Germany our home. If you've been following our journey, we recently hit our 1-year mark of life abroad.
We're making our way back to Graf to go and explore some of the first places that we saw once we got out of quarantine here 365 days ago. It's pretty mind-blowing that it's already been a whole year.
We have loved our time here in Germany and have had many special experiences. In today's video, we are taking you with us to Nuremberg, the second largest city in Bavaria. We put our money to the test and see how far 10 euros can take us.
Are we gonna wear our matching sunnies? You wanna say cheese to mommy? Cheese. Choo-choo, look! Do you wanna ride the choo-choo?
Where'd the train go?
What's up everybody, welcome to today's video. We are in the city of Nuremberg in Germany and we're about to go and explore the markets and see a lot of fun stuff today. It is the end of winter, so we're really excited. Today we want to highlight what you can buy in Germany for 10 euros. We do have to admit we are going to spend more than 10 euros today, but we want to highlight for roughly one person what you can get for 10 euros here today. Isn't she looking snazzy today? So stylish, huh? Cool. You ready to go? Vamos.
We've come to Nuremberg one other time before. During Christmas time, we tried the famous, are you okay?
Yeah, there's just a bug on my face, it's all good. We tried the famous Drei im Wegle, the Nuremberger Bratwurst, which is... Yeah, do you want to find some pants? Yeah, we had a little accident on the way here and we're parents, very responsible parents, so we didn't bring any change of clothes. So she's just chilling in a diaper right now with blankets on her.
She's got blankets, we'll go take care of her. But we came here and we had some really good sausages.
Yes.
And we explored some of the downtown area.
Yeah.
But we wanted to come back because we've heard the markets here are really fun to explore, especially during spring. You just kill me. You're the best. Did you get new pants?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Well, Tanner, we spent the money.
We spent more than the 10 euros. Can't buy a pair of girls' pants from Zara for under 10 euros. So you have fresh cheese, you have a butter pretzel. Wie heißt diese Wurzel? Oh, yeah, eins bitte. Alright, first stop, probably nothing more German, besides beer, is to grab a butter pretzel this morning. So we got the one that's called Schnittlauch, which looks like has green chives or sliced onions on top of it, but it smells incredible in there. Like I stuck my head in just right at the front, and you could smell all these like other nice really flavors like a Nutella and cheese and butter, kind of all mixture. So this pretzel rounded out at €2.60, so that takes us down to 7.40 left. Oh yeah, there you go. Take a nice bite. And Daddy have some? It's really nice. Honestly, it's a pretty simple flavors. We love pretzels so much here. We like to get the Käsebreze, which is the cheese-covered pretzels. Probably the most, but we were venturing out a little bit today, and this one's really nice. That's a nice thick layer of butter, which is also very German to have butter on almost any type of bread. And the chives are also really good. And there's flour on the outside of this pretzel too. So overall, a nice light snack before we head to the market next.
Hey, let's go, I'm following.
Carne.
Hallo. Aber gerne. Dankeschön. Aber gerne. Kann man ein Stück haben? Ein Stück Melone, ein Stück Papaya,
Dankeschön.
Okay, do you want to try it? You want some mango? Magst du mit Mango? No. Alright, 100 grams of dried mango was 3 euros. Feels a little steep, honestly, but we love dried mangoes, so we're gonna give it a try. Very chewy, like a nice thick piece of mango.
Willa's doing a happy dance, so it's worth it.
Of course, while we're in Nuremberg, we're gonna take advantage of getting some of the famous Nuremberg bratwursts, which this is called 3 im Wigla, which is 3 in a bun, and we got it with sauerkraut and mustard this time. Today, this sounds exceptionally tasty, and I can't wait to dig in. Where is the best sauerkraut bite, though? That's the real question. Here we go.
Got a little mustard. There you go.
So tasty. The mustard's not that strong here, which is nice because I don't really care for like a really strong mustard. It's medium. It's really nice. I prefer this definitely with a little bit of sauerkraut than just having it by itself with mustard. Normally the 3 sausages in a bun is only about 350 euro. This one's 4 just because I added sauerkraut.
Willa, what are we gonna get? Crepes with Nutella. We love these crepe stands. Crepes are a really famous street food here, I would say in all of Europe, so we're gonna bounce over and add some Nutella on it. Oh, it is hot, fresh. Looks really tasty. Willa cannot wait. I don't know what they put in this dough, but you just can't make crepes at home to be this good. It's a little hot.
Lots of sugar, right?
Lots of sugar. We've done a good job of filling up these 10 euros with sugary foods. And I think at this point we've surpassed it. So, like Tanner said, we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna enjoy our day here in Nuremberg, fill it up with the activities and foods that we want to have. So at this point, I'm really happy. I mean, honestly, we could be done here and we'd be barely over 10 euros. So there's a lot that you can do with 10 euros. Most of them are gonna put you with street foods. If you were to sit down in a restaurant, you're gonna be spending about 8 to 15 euros for one dish. So just keep that in mind. Street food's gonna be where it's at if you're trying to eat cheap. And activities, when you come to a big city, honestly, walking around is just so fun. Seeing these markets in general has been a highlight. We're hoping to catch the train that goes around here. We're not sure where the stopping and end point is. And so if we can find it, we will be doing that. It's looking like it's starting to rain, so we're gonna hightail it to get some cover soon. If it was a warmer day, we would probably get some gelato because that's just what you do. There's a lot of gelato stands here in Germany, and that ranges anywhere from about 1.5 euros to 3 euros. Also something that you could fit in within your 10 euros. And hey, why not throw in some more sugar into that mix? Willa's enjoying this Nutella. We're gonna decide what we're gonna do next.
Hey Willa, what are you eating?
This is quickly becoming a big mess. Well, that was crazy. The rain turned into like a hail/sleet mixture. It was coming down pretty crazy, but now luckily it stopped and we got ourselves some falafel, which we're really excited about. We got it from this cute shop behind me. Boom. Done. So the owners came from Syria and they've been here in Germany for 8 years. We had a fun conversation with them. Super nice people. They explained that their bread is made fresh every morning as well as all of their ingredients. So a really nice group of guys. But we got the falafel. This is just their original one, except I saw them put some grilled veggies on someone else's and I was like, hey, put some of those on ours because they looked good. So the total for this, which is pretty big if you see compared to my face, 6.5 euros. Really tasty. I'm excited to get to those veggies. So we got more details and the train is 9 euros per person. It lasts 40 minutes and the biggest thing is that they don't accept a stroller, and I guess the second biggest thing is that we'd have to wait about 30 minutes to get onto it. So with the stroller and the waiting time, we're just gonna leave. We've had our eyes on this Playmobil fun park that's here close to Nuremberg, and we're gonna go and check it out. Right now is actually like their snooze time is what they call it. So they have like a winter time and then a normal like summer regular hours. We're in that little gap in between from March to April where things are quite cheap, but it's because things are closed. So it's actually €250 per person, but if you're under the age of 3, then you're free. So all 3 of us can go for €5, which is awesome. Another thing that you guys could add to your list if you're on a budget, you're trying to do things for cheap. You wanna see what Daddy got you and Mommy? What is it?
What is it? Do you wanna hold it?
Yeah.
It's got pokies on it though, so it'd be so soft.
Here, Mommy will help you get it out. Oh my goodness. Daddy's got those.
Yeah. That's Daddy.
Bitteschön. I love you.
Thanks, babe.
Yep.
Oh, cheers.
You going fishing?
Do you want to smell it? You completely made her day.
What is it, Willa? A Spielplatz?
Are you excited?
Yeah. I'm walking this way.
We're really excited to just have this little experience all for Willa, and we want to try and implement more of these. Thanks to you guys, we found out about this spot on our Instagram. She is clearly so excited. So for, again, a really cheap price, we can come here. During regular season, it's only €7.50 per person, so still quite affordable. Based on the website, this is a pretty big area. So again, we're just gonna be indoors, but typically there's like water activities, and it's a place that we'll come back to. I'm almost certain of it. She goes to the dress.
Willa absolutely loved going into that Playmobil park, and even though the majority of it was closed, the indoor park was really nice. It was warm even on this chilly day. A good time for us to sit down, let her go and play and explore, make some new friends. Totaling everything from today's trip to Nuremberg, we had 1 butter pretzel, 100 grams of dried mangoes, 1 sausage sandwich, 1 Nutella crepe, 1 falafel wrap, 2 tickets to the Playmobil park, 2 flowers for a grand total of €30 or €10 per person. There you have it, guys. That was our video of what you can get in Germany for roughly €10. Thanks again for being here, guys. We hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you later.